Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to utilize Replit's new AI workspace for writing and executing C++ code. Start by navigating to replit.com. You'll find the main AI command interface directly on the homepage. In the command box, enter create a new C++ project with a main.cpp file. The AI will immediately set up a complete C++ workspace for you. You'll find the main.cpp file ready with a basic Hello World program already in place. The AI may prompt you with a few questions regarding your project configuration. Simply accept the default settings to get started quickly. Check the file panel on the left side. You'll see your main.cpp file along with any configuration files that the AI has generated for your C++ environment. To execute your code, simply enter run or build and run in the AI command box. It will automatically compile and run your C++ program. The output will display in the console on the right side of your screen. Should any errors occur, the AI will assist you in debugging them. That's all there is to it. You've successfully used Replit AI to create, compile, and run a C++ program without any manual configuration required. If you create something interesting with C++, share what you're working on in the comments section. See you in the next video.